Hello guys, welcome back to Lenap. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to book a Ryanair flight online. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to the official website here for Ryanair, which in this case is going to be Ryanair.com. Now in here, we need to fill out some details. Now, what we need to do is we need to go to the flight section since we want to book a flight. So choose flight. Now, here you need to specify if you want to have a return trip or a one-way trip only. Now, also, if you want to apply any promo codes, you go and click on apply promo code here and apply or enter your promo code. Now, in this case, I'll be booking a return trip here, which in this case, you'll be inputting the dates for your, in this case, the date you'll be going and your return trip. So first is we need to specify the from location. So in this case, specify the location. So for example, we have United Kingdom and London Stansted. Now from here, you want to specify the destination. Now depending on where you're coming from, the destination might not be available to you in some cases. But in this case, you go and specify here. So for example, I'm going to Poland and I want to go and specify the airport for this one. Now we want to choose the depart and return dates here. So for example, we are going to go there around Saturday, and we are going to be returning on the 6th of January. Now, we want to specify how many people are going to be flying here. So you have adults, teens, children, and infants. Go ahead and choose or specify them. Now, you could also add filters if you want to, but for now, let's go and click on search. Also, you need to agree to search the search and conditions here. So let's go and click on it. Click on search. And in here, it's going to give you different options. So first is we have the flight or the departure flight here. So in this case, you could go ahead and specify the dates and the prices for it. So as you can see, this one is around 23.99, 31.99, and 23.99. Now it should also show you the duration of that flight and which airline is going to operate the following flight. So if you want to select that, you could go ahead and click on select. And here we want to go ahead and specify the return flight. Now, same thing. A number of options will be available to you, but this actually depends on the day. But let's go and click on select for the following options. Now, from here you can go ahead and choose your fare. Now, you can use basic, regular, or plus. Now, from here on, depending on what you choose, you'll have the following perks. Like, for example, you can carry or add in this case, use a small bag per flight. But if you want to reserve your seat or priority boarding and 10 kg overhead locker bag, you need to choose regular option here. So for now, let's go and click on the 30 option here, regular option. And from here, it's going to process that. And what we need to do next is we need to go ahead and fill out some details. So in this case, we need to indicate personal details about ourselves. So by the way, if you have any account for Ryanair, go ahead and log in. But for now, let's go ahead and specify the following details. Let's go ahead and specify our first name and last name. And also, by the way, if you need special assistance, make sure to turn this on. So if you're in a wheelchair or any special needs, make sure to specify that and click on continue. Now from here, since we added the option to choose our seat, you go and choose your seat here. So first is we have the seats for our departure. So in this case, this one. So let's go and choose this seat. This is just an example. Let's go and select this one. And let's go ahead and choose the same seat. You go and specify that. Let's go and click next flight. And from here, go ahead and specify the seat that you want to use for this one. Click on continue. Now from here on, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and basically add a fast track option here if you want, so you skip long security queues. But for now, let's go and click on no thanks. And here you could go ahead and add bags if you want to. So if you need additional bags, so 2 kg check-in baggage for this one and 10 kg check-in baggage, one bag per person. So you add other options here. So if you want to skip this one, you could go and click on the continue option. By the way, if you have any equipment, you can add that in here. So let's go and click on continue. And in here, as you can see, we'll now be able to add some extras into our flight. So you can add a standard insurance, insurance plus, annual insurance here. But for now, we are good for this one. And by the way, you could get a prepaid credit here. But you could go ahead and skip this one if you want. So this is just extras that you can add to your flight. Let's go and click on continue. And from here, we just need to specify again some extras here. So you can add those. So this is something really helpful if you want to add extras into your flight. But at the final page here, you just need to review your details. So you also need to provide email address and confirmation here and proceed with the payment. And from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line Up. Thank you for watching.